This little trinket tray was inspired by my dog Hermione. She's an absolute adventure dog and loves to go swimming in the stream, but once she's all played out, she wants nothing more than to be tucked under her blanket with only her nose sticking out. Those moments are so precious to me that I just had to capture them in clay. Summer is still in full swing here in the Cape Winelands, but there's a whisper of autumn in the air. The harvests are nearly finished and the leaves are slowly turning. So naturally, I chose cozy autumn colors in preparation for the season. This was quite an ambitious project for me since I'm completely new to polymer clay and I've never done anything like this before. But I've set a goal for myself this year to improve my skills and take on challenging projects. I won't get any better at it any other way. And I really wanted to try a gingham pattern. I've been seeing them a lot on Pinterest and just had to try it. I thought it would make the perfect dog bed. I definitely got off to a wonky start, but all things considered, it came out rather well. And a good portion of it will be covered by the blanket anyway. As I go along making these projects, I've been documenting my findings on my blog as a living guide for newbies like me. So if you're interested in working with polymer clay but don't know where to start, I'll share a link in the description to my article on starting with polymer clay on a budget. It will help you figure out which tools to get, what type of clay to start with, and the techniques you should learn first. So if you're interested, it's there in the description when you're ready. If you're enjoying this video, feel free to give it a little like and subscribe to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. what you're thinking. That does not look like a dog. And you would be right. I decided to use some off-cut clay to make the basic outline of my dog as a guiding shape for my blanket, to make it look a bit more realistic. I could have used foil, but I wanted the tray to have a little more weight to it. It feels more premium to me that way. I'm using chalk pastels to get the shading just right on Hermione's muzzle. She has quite intricate coloring, a little bit of yellowish brown and some black around her nose and mouth. The chalk pastels really allow you to get that depth in shading just right. Did you know that just like the human fingerprint, no dog's nose is exactly the same? Every dog has their own unique little nose print. I just had to share that fact with you. Making her paws was really difficult for me. They're so tiny that it took me a few tries to get it right. Let's just say it was no small feat. And of course, I had to add some little nails. Her paws would not be complete without them. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. It came out much better than I expected. This is hands down the cutest trinket tray that I've ever seen. It really captures that snuggly feeling. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.